Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I want to show you how to take a screenshot on this device. There are two primary methods how you can do that. The first method, which is a quick method. To take a screenshot, you're going to press the volume down button on your device and power button simultaneously, like this, and you can see screen flash, and here is my screenshot. But actually there is the second way how you can do that. It must be enabled in your settings first. Let's open settings, and you want to scroll to find section advanced features. Now let's go to motions and gestures, and here you should find toggle palm swipe to capture. You want to enable it, and if you want to use this method to take a screenshot, you have to place the side of your hand vertically on the edge of the screen and then swipe horizontally across the device, and you can see that you've made a screenshot. But again, for some reason I don't have this option in my settings, so as I said, all we're gonna do is toggle on this feature and perform this gesture in order to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A07 device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.